Okay, my name is Pam Pembroke. I'm from Myrtle Beach. I learned a lot. It was very interesting where the stem cells come from and just the harvesting and lots of information just to process. Well, gosh, I love him because I'm actually one of his patients. So he's been helping me with my spine and my hip, and we're proceeding. So I'm to a point now where I'm wondering if there's some other little thing I can do to, make my life even better. Well, I have just started studying or researching stem cell because of your office. So I've gone and looked at a couple other places just, online, and find that Myrtle Beach Stem Cell Center is one of the premier places. Wow. I know I have a 14-year-old granddaughter, and when she was born, her parents saved the blood and from the umbilical cord, and so that was another reason I was here today, because I wanted to find out more about that. So what can be for her future too.